Sebelum menonton video ini, aktifkan selalu notifikasinya untuk mendukung channel ini dengan cara like, share, subscribe, dan komen.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, dan selamat malam. Oke, kawan-kawan, kali ini saya akan merestorasi FU ya. Motor FU ini sebelumnya sudah dicat menggunakan cat akrilik ya, atau cat kalengan. Jadi proses di sini sungguh sangat luar biasa untuk mengelupas atau proses finishingnya, karena di sini pernah mengecat tapi merusak bagian-bagian bodi atau bagian-bagian plastik. Untuk proses pengelupasan cat akrilik di sini saya menggunakan thinner dan soda api ya, untuk pengelupasan. Nah, di sini kita habiskan semua sampai ke besinya ya, atau media yang sampai ke dasar. Sama seperti bodi, di sini juga saya menggunakan thinner dan soda api ya, untuk pengelupasan cat yang berlapis-lapis dari cat akrilik ini supaya benar-benar bersih. Dan inilah hasil proses penghilangan cat ya. Untuk pengecatan kali ini saya mengecat full ya, sampai ke mesin-mesin juga saya cat untuk proses pengecatan motor FU ini. Jadi sangat butuh kesabaran dan butuh tenaga yang pastinya ya, supaya motor ini benar-benar bersih dan finishingnya benar-benar halus.
Just living a consumer, or will you be a producer? Did you have a dream, go capture it, go activate. Get off your ass and take some action, bitch. Start acting like you want this shit, cause passion ain't compassionate. Too many people want this shit, it's not enough you're talented, you have to fucking grab it. I'm sick of being adequate, another college graduate, just looking for an advocate to hire me to pack their shit. You want it, take a stab at it. You need it, then get after it. These people, they don't matter shit, just block them out and capture it. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else.
Setelah media benar-benar bersih, selanjutnya kita keringkan dahulu sebelum proses pemuksian. Dan untuk bodi di sini sudah duluan dipoksi ya, karena di sini banyak baret atau lecet atau gompel. Jadi di sini saya proses epoksi, dempul, epoksi, dan dempul kembali, lalu diepoksi kembali. Untuk epoksi di sini saya menggunakan perbandingan 4:1 ya. Untuk proses epoksi di sini saya menggunakan 2 lapis ya. Untuk pemoksian dengan jeda 10 atau 15 menit.
Growing up in Cali, yeah, you know I love the weather. Limelight, hit 'em, and you know I handle pressure. I do what I want, so I'm never saying never. I get what I want, so they call me go-getter. Yeah, I know he does it good, but you know I do it better. So misunderstood, if she wanted, then I let her. Everybody knows, if I want her, then I get her. She gave me that look.
Epoksi bagian mesin cukup tipis-tipis saja ya untuk epoksi. karena ditakutkan kalau dia tebal akan mengeriting ya kalau terlalu panas nantinya.
While I put it on display, I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got them singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah. Yeah, let's go. Catch me at the top, sipping shots of Patron.
Setelah media terepoksi dengan rata, selanjutnya kita keringkan selama 24 jam ya untuk proses pengeringan epoksi, dan selanjutnya kita amplas kembali menggunakan air ya. Amplas di sini saya menggunakan amplas 800 untuk pengamplasan. Selanjutnya kita keringkan dan lanjut kita proses pengecetan dasar. Untuk pengecetan dasar di sini saya menggunakan dari produk Harka ya, dari Silver Sparkle. Jadi metaliknya lebih kasar ya. Pengecetan di sini saya menggunakan 2 lapis dengan jeda 10 atau 15 menit untuk proses pengecetan dasar kali ini.
They can't do it so they hate. Everybody wanna look but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got them singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah.
Setelah proses pengecetan dasar, selanjutnya kita keringkan selama 1 jam untuk proses pengeringan di cat dasar kali ini. Setelah 1 jam kita menunggu pengecatan dasar ini kering, selanjutnya kita pengecatan warna ya. Untuk pengecatan warna saya menggunakan cat dari Candy Tone berwarna hijau ya. Candy Tone Green. Sebenarnya ini oplosan yang pasti. Memang di sini masih menongolkan warna candy-nya ya. Cat candy kali ini saya memakai Candy Tone View ya. Pengecatan kali ini sama seperti halnya cat pengecatan dasar. Di sini saya menggunakan cat candy ini 2 lapis ya, dengan jeda 10 atau 15 menit per lapisnya. Ini hasil proses pengecatan awal ya, atau step pertama. Kita diamkan selama 10 atau 15 menit, lanjut ke proses step yang kedua ya. Untuk cat Candy Tone ini tidak boleh tebal-tebal ya, melainkan kita harus mengecatnya dengan tipis-tipis dahulu supaya cat tidak mudah melebar atau meler ya, karena rentan sekali cat Candy Tone. Apabila meler, kita akan mengulangnya dari awal lagi untuk proses pengecatan di Candy Tone.
Oh yeah, yeah, I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Y'all already know. Yeah, that's right. Y'all better watch out. NFX is on the rise. Yeah. No fear, I'm standing right here, eyes peer with my mind clear. Never look rear, only up, never down. Off the ground till I'm found. Hear the sound, listen to me now. As the beat pounds, every ounce of my effort pouring out. So you never have a doubt, do you like me now? Am I good enough now? Should I get more loud? Till you hear the fucking sound, oh no. I'm losing my shit again, having to fit again. Man, I'm forgetting when I used to have some friends. I used to play pretend, we all grow up and then hating my phone and trends. I'm about to blow my head, nobody knows I'm dead. Fear I'm a ghost instead, think that I'm close, I get straight comatose in bed. Try to go slow with breath, without my nose and head. Heart doesn't go the trend, faster it goes instead. One shot, that's all you got, take it right now, before you get lost, yeah. One shot, that's all you got, write your own story, you control the plot, yeah.
Untuk pengecatan mesin saya menggunakan warna red candy ya. Sama seperti cat warna hijau tadi, di sini saya menggunakan cat oplosan juga ya, warna merah candy maroon. Untuk pengecatan warna merah candy ini saya tipis-tipis ya. Sama seperti cat hijau tadi, di sini saya juga menggunakan 2 lapis dengan jeda 10 atau 15 menit per lapisnya.
You know that's me, that's how it's supposed to be. Cause nobody's perfect, you need something to work towards, that's worth it. You need something that's worth more, you deserve it. Find a thing that you love, then preserve it. If you're heading down the wrong path, then reverse it. Put your head down and damn it, start working. Cause we all need a little bit of hope to help us cope as we go down this road on our own, never knowing where it goes. Always wonder if we're close, always wonder if we chose the right fork.
Untuk bagian box mesin saya mendasarinya dengan warna hitam karena di bagian di sini atau di box mesin saya mengarbonnya ya. Di sini saya menggunakan karbon hologram di bagian box mesin dan headnya. Pengecatan dasar warna hitam ini sama seperti pengecatan pada yang lainnya ya. Kita menggunakan 2 lapis dengan jeda 10 menit atau 15 menit per lapisnya.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Yo, that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by energy.
Sebelum proses pengarbonan, di sini sudah saya keringkan selama sehari ya untuk proses pengarbonan supaya cat benar-benar kering. Untuk pengarbonan kali ini saya menggunakan karbon hologram ya. Untuk proses pengarbonan hologram ini berbeda dengan seperti karbon umumnya ya, karena di sini tidak menggunakan isolasi atau double tip ya untuk membatasi pinggir-pinggirannya. Sifat dari karbon hologram ini apabila diletakkan mengkerut langsung mengembang sendirinya. Apabila karbon sudah mengembang sendiri, selanjutnya kita proses penyemprotan aktivator ya. Untuk aktivator di sini tidak bisa menggunakan thinner ya, karena akan merusak hologram itu sendiri. Di sini saya menggunakan aktivator dari Samurai ya, produk dari Samurai. Dan untuk penyemprotan aktivator cukup sekilas saja atau tipis saja.
Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. All the same, told me I won't make a name, but it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins, feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you.
Untuk proses penghilangan lendir di karbon hologram ini cukup direndam saja ya, beberapa saat supaya lendir benar-benar menghilang. Setelah pengeringan 1 hari, selanjutnya kita proses pengekliran ya, atau clear coats. Untuk clear saya menggunakan dari produk Space Shaker ya, perbandingan 211. Alasan saya menggunakan produk dari Space Shaker ini terutama tidak rewel ya. Untuk di clear ini, satu tidak rewel, keduanya cukup glowing ya, atau super basah untuk di clear ini. Untuk penyemprotan clear kali ini saya menggunakan 2 lapis ya, dengan jeda 10 atau 15 menit per lapisnya. Untuk clear cukup tipis-tipis dahulu, jangan langsung tebal ya, supaya benar-benar hasil maksimal.
And I will never give up, I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my feelings so good, and friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, hey. You'll be fine, hey. Just take your time, hey. Enjoy the climb, hey. Enjoy the grind, hey. You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, hey. Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you.
Setelah 15 menit kita diamkan, selanjutnya proses step yang kedua ya. Untuk proses pengekeliran kali ini sama seperti yang pertama, kita tipis-tipis dahulu supaya hasil benar-benar maksimal.
And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life feeling so good. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying. I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
Pengekeliran bagian di karbon saya tidak menggunakan thinner, hanya clear dan hardener saja untuk penggunaan kali ini. Hanya menaikkan speed angin saja ya. Sama prosesnya di sini pengekliran saya menggunakan 2 lapis proses pengekliran di karbon.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, get too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief, all my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, this a war zone. It's a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. It's a war zone. Yeah, feel the impact. Yeah, break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked. You're safe, hardened, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back. Your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey bitch, you been whacked. I kill 'em all, feel a motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie, say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I'll be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud with a vision, saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing, thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop.
Setelah semuanya benar-benar kering, selanjutnya kita proses perakitan kembali untuk motor EPU.
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock it low. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop you, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
Dan inilah hasil proses restorasi motor EPU ya. Buat kawan-kawan yang ingin mencoba di rumah, silakan mencoba. Dan jangan lupa selalu dukung channel ini supaya lebih berkembang lagi dengan cara like, subscribe, share, and comment.
I don't care what they all say. That's right, I'ma do this thing my way. Let's go. Been grinding hard on it all day. Okay, we work hard, then we all play. Yeah, I'm addicted to the grind, man. That's right, so I refuse to waste time, man.